Hello, wonderful day to all my viewers and subscribers. Yes, today I'm gonna present to you this one model from IXO 1:64. This truck, the GMC General 1980. Does it look like familiar with you guys? This one is a movie star. It's a celebrity. Although it does only supporting role for the main character, it plays a major part for that TV show. I already removed it from the here's the box. I already removed it so we can proceed to the main model, to our centerpiece. But anywhere to give you a little perspective, what the box says is says here GMC General 1980. So it is under license. So this one is authentic replica of the truck. Anyway, we'll get down to the model itself, and I also slice the seals already on the sides. Yeah, okay. So we'll now get to the model. Yes. Okay. This is a diecast truck, diecast body. Um, of course, the prominent chrome grille that is common on great American trucks. It is similarly what you call this. It has a grill. It's already very detailed. Huh? No need for black wash. Even the chrome bumpers have all the texture, and it even has this. You can see, as you can see, the license plate, and also the close up of this frame chrome headlights with these are all separate pieces, and that clear lens, this some detailing also on these side indicators. You can see the air cleaners is also a separate piece put together. These side steps, this is a chrome. The fuel tanks are done in satin aluminum. The cab also is die cast, and look at that. This was way ahead of DCP because this one is a clear orange plastic. Unlike in die-cast promotion, these are done in paint only. And as you can see, the windows are also sealed. This is a good one because dust will prevent dust from coming into the interior. And single smokestack here. You can see also the wipers, separate piece. It even has the window trim. We can make this with bare metal foil. Make it a highlight. Crystal clear windows. Yes. Air horns, chrome air horns. Grab handles, chrome grab handles. Side mirrors are also chrome. Side steps and aluminum satin aluminum finish. Fuel tank. I'll zoom it out. You can see, but this one, what you call this? This crew bunk is made in plastic, but it's a glossy finish, so it's hard to tell between metal and plastic because of the finish is excellent. You can even see the details on the riveting, and of course this chrome mud flaps there, that detailed, very detailed, very realistic looking chassis, as you can see in the real thing. The fifth wheel, or the fifth wheel doesn't it also pivots just like in diecast promotion. Not much, but it's okay, and it's much sturdier than diecast promotion. Also the rear mud flaps, you can see. Of course the wheels are rubber and it rolls. We'll remove it on its splint. Let's see. Go. Yes. Okay. So it is smooth rolling. We can improve more of this if we put Teflon lube here, like I usually do on my models from cars to trucks. I also brought in some trailers that we can hitch here. This is what I like with the EXO. You can easily integrate it to other trailers like from Mini GT and Diecast Promotion. You can see that. Let's try this one from Mini GT. Oh, it's a bit too close. It cannot even pivot. But let's see the other Diecast Promotion. But at least there's a snug fit. It means it's just right. And you can see, this is what I like when 64 scale. You know, you can see the wheel diameters are the same. So very nice. Okay, now we try this diecast promotion. This is from diecast promotion. Remember I showed to you this Mac model, Mac Anthem with this one. This one we'll try with this. Wow, slices like a butter. Wow, very nice. Also snug, just very right. One thing about EXO that I saw in DCP, this EXO has never don't have any opening features. Unlike in diecast promotion, you can open the front hood. And first gear, you can open the front hood. You can open also the doors. There are also opening doors. And this one has no air hoses, unlike in diecast promotion. But it's okay. At least we have an excellent model that hasn't been done in, correct me if I'm wrong, that hasn't been done in other brands that we collected or that we have encountered. Only EXO did this. I'll show you also the undercarriage. You can see the detail, the level of detail of this. Okay, before we end this segment, I'd like to show you, of course, the car that it serves. It's cute, right? This one is from Tomica Unlimited. It has an opening door. So far, this was, in my opinion, was a better one, a better model than from Mattel. This was more, for me, much accurate. Although it doesn't have rubber wheels, but for me, it's just the right proportion and scale. together with this GMC General. You can see. I hope IXO would come out with a separate trailer that we can purchase soon, so that Kit has a home to get into, right? Okay, thank you guys for your time. I hope to see you again soon. Please like and subscribe. Bye.